Hi, welcome to the Real Estate Video Maker by Video Jaguar. In this short tutorial video, we're just going to go over the basics of the software so you can get up and running in no time. So right now you should be getting an email on the way to you with your login details and your software key. Once that comes to you, then you'll be able to log on, set your password, and this is the home screen that you'll see when you first log on. And it's pretty simple to understand. You'll see there's different video sizes here, some horizontal, some square, and then the vertical ones for Facebook stories, Instagram stories. So basically, the first thing you should do is figure out, what kind of video you want to make. If it's going to be for a website or YouTube, you probably want to go with a full size horizontal video. If it's for social media, the square videos are your way to go. For something on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, the square videos really display well on those platforms. Or if you're doing a Facebook story or Instagram story or even Snapchat, you'll want to go with these vertical videos down here. So once you figure out what kind of video you want, you can then hover over each one and it'll play transitions or autoplay, and you can see the transitions of which template you like, because all these templates can be customized with your own text, images, colors, and even music. So you're just basically looking for which transitions you like and how you like the certain template displayed. So like this one, we can hover over it, and it starts playing. So we can click on whichever one you want, and it opens up the editor. And then it sets up the video editor so you can start customizing it. And, for most of these videos, you're going to probably want to use your own images, I assume. Like all these places where the images are currently, where the placeholders, you can easily upload all your images for, all your properties, your listings, or whatever you want to advertise. So to do that, you just click on this image right here, and it will open up a box that says you can hit the browse button, upload your own images, which you'll most likely want to do. Or if you want to just use a stock photo, we also have two libraries right here, Pixabay and Unsplash, that are royalty-free images. So like for example purposes, we can click on Pixabay, and let's say you wanted to just have a generic video of Washington, D.C., for example, and we can put D.C. in there and just choose this picture. And you really don't have to worry about cropping. If you hit the choose button, it'll auto size it for you. So you can do that. And see, it puts it right there on display, and it'll just kind of like show a little bit overlay of what was already there. So that just tells you you uploaded something. Obviously you can see where these text boxes are here. It says this is going to be up in the corner throughout the whole video. So you can probably say, call us at whatever your phone number is, or financing available. You have it, you name it, it's all down here. And you can see the only restriction is there's a character limit. So you can even use the enter bar and it will do stuff like that. So in this case, we can say call us at 202 123 4567, or see, there's the character limit 4567, or just call. So you can play around with this, and obviously you can put whatever you want in there. You can even don't have to put you don't have to hit the enter for a space. You can just say that and call this there. So you can get the hang of it, play around with it. But you know, like any other video editor, that would take you, you know, a long time to figure out. This one's already done for you. Like the boxes are already here. All you got to do is enter your text. So all this stuff is, you know, totally editable. You know, you can do whatever you want. Put your web address down there, or even put the call us down there. So you get the hang of it. Off and up here on the upper left corner, this is just where you can put, you know, your own name for this project. So we can say project 1, and that just comes in handy when all your videos go to your projects tab. You know, you can classify them as different things if you need to come back and edit them later. So once you're done editing this, you can go to the next slide, and basically it's the same thing. You can click up here, opens the image box. Down here you can put your text in, and you can see the character limits. And then also keep in mind, like if you have your own images, you're gonna want to, you know, stick around the recommended size, which is right here. So you don't want to like put like something like 5,000 pixels by 5,000 pixels, and then it might auto shrink to a weird size. So try to like already have them pre-sized to around this dimensions before you put them in here. It'll just make everything a lot smoother. So you'll see this scene 2, and also the scenes are down here. There's 5 scenes. You can click on them like this, or you can hit the next button, whatever you want to do. But so you just go through all this. Same stuff, and then the last scene, basically you want to put your logo in right here. That's the same as the other image box. You just click it and you upload your logo. The recommended size is there for your logo, and of course, I mean, you don't need to have it transparent, but obviously it would look a lot better if your logo was transparent. So you know, get that situated and then upload it right here. And then, you know, down here is the same thing. Put the text where you see the text, so you can change this to whatever you want. And once you're done, just hit next. And it comes to the color tab. So the color palette, there's the palettes down here. They're pre-made. You can see, you just click on them, and this is the left color. That's the right color. So, you know, if you like something like that pre-selected, then it's pretty easy to do. Or you just come over to custom colors, and you'll see you can put your hex codes in to match your own branding. So, you know, the same colors as your website, or the same colors as your real estate firm. Like you can, you know, put them there to match exactly, you know, how you already have it. So it keeps up with your branding, and it's totally customized video. So for now, we're just going to keep it like this. Go next. And that should move to the music tab, which it's really great. It comes all this preloaded music. Right now it's this pleasant intro, which I like. You heard it like when the video first started playing. You can, you know, play it here. Go down here and select all this other stuff. We got a lot of royalty-free music that you can use, and if you like one of them, just click the plus sign right here and it will add it up there. Or alternatively, if you wanted to upload your own MP3, either like a voiceover or your own music file, just come over here and it says upload your own. You click that and you can upload your audio. So really simple to do if you wanted to like have a voiceover and just talk, you know, or put like your own royalty free music track on there. So it gives you a lot of options. You can go through all these. Take you probably all day to go through all these different royalty free music tracks we have on here. But for now, just gonna click next, and once you're done, it just, I mean, you can click start rendering. And keep in mind, this is just the original, what it looked like, the template. Once it renders, it's gonna obviously have all your changes in effect, so don't worry about this image right here. So you just say start rendering, and it will process the video in the background. Everything will, you know, do it. All the hard work is gonna be behind the scenes. It's gonna build the video, and once it's done, this is the projects tab. You can see over here, it's the left on the left is the second tab. This is where all your projects, all the videos you've ever made come, and they'll be here for until you want to delete it, or if you want to come back to it, you like the video and you just want to change some text or edit it, or put another property in, just click the pencil, it opens up the editor, and you can go back right where you left off. So like this thing it doesn't take that long, like literally 5 minutes or less, and it'll also email you too once it's done, in case you don't want to wait here. But once it's done, basically all you have to do is click on it, and then you'll be able to download. So like for the instance, we made this one a while ago. You click on this, and you can see the video. Oops, cancel. I don't want to mess up my screen recorder now. But anyways, yeah, so it's pretty easy. You can just click on these videos, it downloads right to your computer, and you'll be good to go. You can share them on all your platforms. And it's pretty simple as that. I mean, if you have any questions, there's a support tab over here. You don't really have to mess with the settings. I mean, unless you want to change your email or something like password. But once you're done with that, you can always go back to the home screen and then select another template to start editing. And keep in mind, if you have like 50 properties, 100 properties, you can make as many videos as you want. It comes with unlimited videos you can create and download every month. So it's really nice. And then you also get full resale rights too. So if a colleague of yours likes something or wants you to do it, you can actually make a video for them and sell it to them for whatever you want to sell it for. So, we give you a lot of flexibility, and it's a really great product. Hope you'll find a lot of use for it. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Best of luck. Thanks.